drew a bath and slipped into it, and suddenly became aware I couldn't keep my head above water. I took a final gasp of air, and as I lay there helplessly, a million different thoughts came to me. I saw my parents hearing the news, your only daughter drowned today. I thought about what they might say. Our daughter Judith, no, she moved to Austin. She's very happy there, or so we hear. She's always been so goddamn independent. The years go by and now we barely see her. Our daughter Judith, you must be mistaken. You mean the girl we raised as if our own. We loved her so much she felt like our child, but eventually we had to send her home. It'd be their word, only their word. It'd be their word, only their word.